If you're watching this video, you are lucky. Have you checked the expiry date of the gas cylinder you have in your kitchen? Yes, have you done that? Don't worry, I'm going to help you before anything happens. But did you know that placing a refrigerator too close to the wall can actually start a fire that can endanger your household? What if I tell you that hanging a curtain right in front of an electrical socket can actually spike a blaze that can burn down your home? My name is Wilberforce and I'm a firefighter and safety educator here in Ghana, and I created this YouTube channel to further educate the public so that we can save lives and properties before it's too late. Here on Safety Line GH, you will learn practical real fire safety tips for your home, shop, workplace and the whole community from my firefighting experience based on what we see every day from the fire ground, so that you, my friend, will know and understand how fire even comes to existence in the first place, so that you can prevent them and, most importantly, know how to respond to them safely without any panic or fear. Me and you are also going to learn from common safety mistakes that we see every day in Ghana and across Africa. Subscribe to Safety Line GH and be part of a safety conscious generation so that we can save lives and prevent losses. And together, me and you, we can make the world a better place. Or what do you say? And oh, in case I didn't tell you, fire is unpredictable. It doesn't announce or even show itself before it strikes. As we speak, it could be hiding somewhere in the cables under your roof or right behind your TV, waiting to strike. How prepared are you? Hit on the subscribe button or click on the link below and subscribe on YouTube, and let me prepare you to stay ready and stay safe.